Just took a shower. My hair feels so clean and good. Now I'm gonna make breakfast. The egg is done. My mom made this chili oil. And my egg. Oh! There. Ooh. Yum! Look at the breakfast. Egg, rice, and then the tortilla. I added a little bit more of my mom's chili oil. I honestly don't have any plans today. I'm trying to find like fun Halloween things to do. Because I already went to the pumpkin patch and that was really fun. I've wanted to make those s'mores cookies that I keep seeing all over my For You page. They look so delicious. So for Halloween, I'm gonna be an ice queen, but I couldn't find anything that I liked or like any costume that looked very much like an ice queen. So I DIY'd it myself. I think it's coming out so cute so far. I feel like it's exactly what I wanted it to be. I still need to add more of these little decorations onto it, but I cannot believe I got these for $2.99 at Hobby Lobby, and I made a whole costume with it. I've been sewing them one by one. Look at the inside of this. Fall haul for you guys. Thank you to Cupshe for sponsoring this portion of the video. A lot of jackets, sweaters. So let's begin. First one I've been wearing all morning. This little gray set. Oh my gosh. So comfortable. I've had it on all morning. It feels so soft and comfortable. It's like the perfect amount of thick and thin. Another gray item. A little gray cardigan. I love how this one looks. It's so cute. It's so adorable. Such a comfy material. The fit and the quality of it looks really good on. Cardigans are like my favorite thing for the fall and winter. I liked how this one's oversized. And it's just a brown and cream cardigan. I think with a cute little mini skirt underneath would look adorable. Has cool knit print. It'd be great for layering over and under stuff. Now for sweaters, I got a lot of neutral colors. I love the off the shoulder look. This one is in a perfect cream brown color. The material is nice and cozy, so I know I'm gonna stay warm during the cold days. I already see myself wearing this a bunch of times with a bunch of outfits because sweaters like that you can easily dress up or dress down. Get really comfy and casual, or super cute and elegant for like date night. This one I love, and I'm so sad that they didn't have my size. Otherwise I would have gotten it in a size smaller, but I'm still gonna wear it because it's so cute. White v-neck sweater. the little knit material. Look how adorable it cinches, and oh my god, it looks so adorable. It's the cutest little sweater. The puffy sleeves at the end. This shirt I can wear backwards and the way it's supposed to be worn. Cream sweater again. I love the puffy sleeves, and the back has a little bow. It would be really cute to wear it in the front and have the little bow just like hanging down. I've been really into red lately for fall, so red sweater. This one has little hearts on it, and then it also has regular hearts imprinted. I don't know if you can see. And I don't know, there's just something with me and like the puffy sleeves at the end. I love it. I feel like it looks so good. I actually already wore this, so it's inside out. I can wear this one again backwards or forward. I wear a lot of my shirts backwards if it looks good. I think it's really cool when you can find different ways to wear it. Pink knit sweater. So I can obviously wear it forward like this, or I can wear it backwards and then you can just see the bows peeking out through the back. Especially with the black mini skirt, it looked really cute. That's what I wore this with. Last but not least, a big jacket. I love these types of jackets for fall and winter. These huge long coats, they look so good with every outfit. I feel like it elevates your outfit so nicely. I can just be wearing a white t-shirt and jeans with this, and it would make my outfit look 10 times better. I'm also short, so I'm surprised that this length fit perfect for me. I was afraid it was gonna drag, but it's literally the perfect height. But that's it for my haul. I'll have everything linked below because I already know you guys are gonna love a lot of these pieces. Okay, heading out to the farmer's market. The outfit for today, little OOTD. Sweater is from Cupshe. Let's go! Starting off the Halloweekend with the farmer's market. Trying to figure out what we want to eat. There's like two options that we have, but oh, that was good too. But you don't like pizza.
I do like pizza.
Yeah, we don't like saucy pizza.
Is it Italian? It's Italian.
Yeah, you know. I love Italian food. Yesterday was so much fun. My cousin and her friends hosted a like boob brunch. It was so cute, and I was able to wear my little costume. I got to wear my little costume, which I was so excited for. It came out perfect, exactly how I wanted it to come out. I was gonna film all of yesterday, but then I just started having fun and I was just enjoying it. So I think I only filmed like a minute or 2 minutes worth. I don't know. But I had a lot of fun, so I'm not complaining. I woke up booked and busy. I was like, I'm gonna get so many things done today, which I actually did. And then right now I'm just doing laundry, but I am starving. I'm gonna eat clam chowder because I've been craving clam chowder, especially because the weather now is a little gloomy. This is like perfect clam chowder soup day. Gonna make some clam chowder. having my own little color session right now. My Bobby Goods book. I finally got a Bobby Goods coloring book. And this is my first page. I'm so excited to fill this up. So this is the outside of the bakery. This is the inside. So I need to make sure when I color this one, it has to match. I can make it like a cute girly bakery. Or I can do like a vintage bakery. Like this. Just like mainly a lot of different brown tones. My marshmallows are all melted. I have to cut them up into little tiny random shapes, but they're all stuffed in the container. I'm making s'mores cookies!
What else? How did you use the dryer hand?
Right here. Everywhere. Dun dun dun.